In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Google Family Group. If you want to organize shared Google services for your household, Google Family Group makes that process much easier. You can use it on either a phone or a computer, and it gives one person the ability to manage family members, shared subscriptions, and certain account settings from one place. To get started, open Google Family or go to the Google Family's website in your browser. Once you're there, sign in with the Google account you want to use as the Family Manager. This is important because the family manager is the person who controls the group setup and handles things like invitations, member management, and sharing options. If you don't already have a family group, select Create Family Group. Google will guide you through the setup process with on-screen instructions. Just follow each prompt carefully until the group is created. This part is usually straightforward, and once it's done, you'll be ready to start adding people. Next, choose the option to invite a family member. When prompted, enter that person's Gmail address and send the invitation. Make sure the address is entered correctly so the invite goes to the right account. After that, the invited person will need to open the invitation email, sign in with their own Google account, and accept the invitation to join your family group. Once people begin joining, you can start managing the group as the family manager. This includes adding or removing family members whenever needed. If you have children's accounts, you can also manage them with Family Link. Depending on your settings, you may be able to approve Google Play purchases as well. Another major benefit is the ability to share eligible Google services and subscriptions with the group. Depending on what you already subscribe to, you may be able to share things like Google Play Family Library, Google One Storage, YouTube Premium Family, YouTube Music Premium Family, and other eligible Google subscriptions. Keep in mind that availability can vary by plan, so if you don't see a specific service, it may not be included with your current subscription. Finally, you can return to your family group settings anytime to manage everything in one place. From there, you can view members, update family information, remove members,